welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashlyn, and today we're going to be doing a portrait shoot for Lauren and her husband Kenny. They're expecting baby Gage in May. And so we're going to be doing an in-home session and a maternity bath shoot. So I'm going to bring you guys behind the scenes so you see what I do and our pictures. Alright, so if you want to see our shoot, keep watching.
I don't know, it's just something about you. Got me feeling like I can't be without you. Anytime someone mention your name, I be feeling as if I'm around you. Ain't no words to describe you, baby. All I know is that you take me high. Can you tell that you drive me crazy?
Okay, so first we're going to have Lauren take pictures by herself. We bought a lot of fresh flowers for the bath portion of it, so we're going to use it as bouquets first. So go ahead and scoot down to the end of the bed for me.
Sitting at the bed?
Yeah. And then kind of turn your body a little bit this way. Get comfortable. And then, you know on your wedding day when you hold bouquet, you kind of like this in a resting motion. Go ahead and rest it on your arm for me. I'm going to get from your tummy up, no legs yet. And Kenny is behind the camera for us. Yes. For these portions. Okay, so, there we go. Oh, for my shoot I'm using the Canon 50mm with my 50mm 1.2L. Yeah. Alright. So, Lauren, I'm just going to chest out my settings real quick. Lift your chin just a bit. Good. Yeah, so that's perfect. Good. And smile. Lift your chin a little bit. Now don't rest your arms against your body. Out just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Good. Perfect. Now, hold your flowers a little higher and then kind of look down toward them with your eyes.
Wait, I'm so sorry.
There you go. Bring this hand right here so I can see your ring.
Perfect.
Okay? And then we'll get some of the baby bump after.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Now just glance up at me and smile. Actually look at Kenny and smile this time. Good. I knew it.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
I knew it. I knew he was going to get a smile.
Oh,
How can you not smile at this?
oh my gosh.
That's how Gage's made.
Yes.
Okay, so do me a favor. With your left hand, hold the top of your bump. And I'm going to get this. Here we go. 1 second. Okay, here we go. So this is just your hands and the bouquet, not your face. Now for maternity shoots, you don't want to just get the wife or the lady. In the picture, you want to get details. You want to get the ring. You want to get the hand on top of the stomach. You want to get the flowers. You want to kind of tell a story. You don't want to just take portraits. I thought it was going to be awkward. I'm not really awkward. I'm kind of like, okay.
It's just like you're professional or something.
I wish you could see Kenny dancing.
Yeah.
That's the best part of this whole video.
Let's play some music.
Yeah, go ahead. Now, place your left right here. There we go, good. So, kind of catty corner your body this way. If that's an American term. Yes. And then you want to place one hand on top of the bump and then the other on the bottom. But you want to always put your left on top so we can see your ring. And I love your tattoo. Thank you. Good, right there. Alright.
Am I looking down at my tummy?
Yes, but give me one moment. I'm changing my settings. Okay. For my settings, I shoot on manual. So my ISO right now is 250. My aperture is 1.4. And my shutter speed is 1/400. And that changes and varies throughout the shoot. Mainly my ISO, it's usually at 100, but it's a little too dark for that. So it's gonna stay at 250, so I'm gonna change my shutter speed depending on the lighting. Okay, sorry.
Good.
Okay, just like that. So first, Lauren, kind of tilt your body this way. And then Kenny, you want to be on this side. You want to tilt your body with her this way.
Perfect. Good side.
Yes. And then you want to rest your right hand here. And then, and you want to bring your faces.
Ring or no ring?
Okay, you
No
can.
ring or no ring?
It's up to you.
That one, no.
No.
But this one, yes.
What she says.
Yes. And then you want to bring your faces kind of close. Good. And
Cheek to
make
cheek
sure-
action.
Yeah, perfect.
Alright.
But if you want to rest gently, yes, you don't want to press.
You were good.
Okay. Oh, you guys look cute. You look like parents.
Yes, I look like a dad. Dad?
Yes, you look exactly like a dad. All right. So I'm behind the camera. You won't be able to see me, but you get an idea of when I'm shooting. Cause look at them, like a model. Love them.
Hair smells good.
Yes. All right, guys, ready? It's funny, like you fixed the exact part of her hair I was gonna tell you to
Yeah.
fix.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I got you,
It's
girl.
like you know.
I know you. I worked for you for years.
Oh yeah, you did work well. Gosh. Okay, ready? Perfect again. Good. Now, Kenny, can you give her a Chica-like kiss?
Oh, I sure can.
Perfect. So we're gonna do one with the flowers with Kenny.
Okay.
Perfect. Where do I go? Do I take
Yeah.
just the bottom part right here like this?
No, you wanna always be attached to Lauren.
Oh, perfect. I'm gonna go right
Yes.
here. Do you want me to hide
Yeah,
your...
that's perfect.
I'll hide your scars. I know you don't like your scars.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, bump please. Bump. I'm gonna adjust this way because I'm gonna be over here so I can see the front. Perfect. Yeah. And then Kenny, the same thing. You want to keep your face fairly close to her and smiling. This time I want you to look at each other.
Oh, perfect.
And then we want to bring your faces close, but awkwardly close, but not where they're touching. There's little room in between you two. Don't stare with eyes wide open or anything crazy.
Right.
But just kind of, gaze into each other's eyes.
Yes.
Let me get this as you're fixing.
All right. You can actually one more here. There you go. Perfect. So
Very
keep my
nice.
eyes.
There you go. Beautiful.
Don't get too lost.
It means no worries.
It's like an ocean.
What?
You know when you look into the ocean?
Oh, the ocean's dirty. You calling me dirty?
No, it's deep like the ocean.
Oh, just...
She gets it.
I
Yes.
know she does.
That's a lady thing. And that's a Pinterest thing. They have a lot of quotes and stuff.
Sorry.
Now one hand on top of the bum. Yeah, very good. So Kenny, before you come in to the shot, I would like to get one of her
Oh, yes.
and then introduce you so we're not like backwards.
Yes.
Okay, so turn your face a little bit this way. Yeah, there's a curve over here.
Wait, can you help me with my straps and stuff? So that...
Yeah. That's why I'm here, right? That's why I married you, so you have a permanent servant.
Very nice. Look at me and smile. Good. Perfect. Good. I'll keep you that way. Okay, good. Don't be afraid to take your time in between pictures and change your style. Let them get comfortable, fix their hair, bra straps, anything. It's no rush. Okay.
All right. Do you not want us to be leaning on the thing, though? You know, that's.
I can see you perfectly. If I
Okay.
feel like you're too far back, I'll let you know. But I want you to feel comfortable because if you're
Okay.
comfortable, you look comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's perfect. All right, I am ready.
Okay. So get nice and cozy, cuddle, get real close. There we go.
Are you good, babe?
I am great. Wait, where do you want my hand?
I like your hand on your leg, but do me a favor. You're leaning in her shadow.
Oh, so you want me to move
Yeah,
forward?
right
Okay,
there,
right there.
and then
Just use your
closer.
hands.
Yeah.
No, it's okay if you put your arm there. It's hiding my belly. Here, hold on. Let me help you with yours too. There you go.
Yeah. Perfect. All right. Big smiles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're moving into like a different direction. Lauren's laying down. We're gonna get her looking up toward me, an aerial shot, and then I'm gonna get down on her level and get pictures. And yes, I like the hand on the bum. Good. All right, go ahead and look at me and smile. Very nice. Now, do me a favor. You might feel uncomfortable. Lift your chin just a bit. Right there. Good. Here we go. Perfect. Let me get it kind of close, okay? Good. Now, do me a favor. Kind of look down. I love your makeup, so I want to get at least 1 or 2 shots with that. Good. Alright, Kenny, I'm going to have you join her, but first, Lauren, I need you to scoot back and this way so we make room for Kenny. Take your time.
There you go.
Okay, good.
Oh, I thought I was seeing like the creeper. Alright, cool.
Let me see. Lauren, lay with your feet this way and lay straight back, not at the angle. Because just thought about it, you guys are looking at each other and light's coming from this way.
Oh, okay.
You want to always position them where their face is toward the light, and we're using only natural light today.
Okay. So while Ashlyn's doing this, getting the ladder, this is actually a perfect time for us to just talk about Ashlyn. You know, Ashlyn's a good friend of ours, and we've had the privilege to work with her. She has an amazing work ethic, and we're not absolutely paid at all saying all of these. So she's not telling us a script by the door to what to say. So we're just here saying that she's an amazing photographer and friend. And yeah.
She's an amazing person to work with.
Yeah, oh, she's here now. Like I said, it's not paid. We're not getting paid to say this, but she's back. Okay.
Hopefully those are nice things. Yes. And when you're 5'3", you always need a ladder. Now, Kenny,
Yes.
invade her space. Get really close.
Invade her space.
Yes, right there. Good. Perfect. Oh, these are cute. I like these.
No, because Lauren said.
Is it awkward if you give each other a kiss?
No.
Alright, go ahead and hold it for me.
You go this way.
Okay.
This way. There you go.
Okay. Wait, is that better?
Yep, go ahead. Right there and hold it. Just like that. Don't move. Okay, so right now Lauren is changing into her outfit for the maternity bath section, of this whole video. So right now what I'm gonna do is start a new video process of how I set up the milk bath. So I have to get the milk out the fridge, run the water in the tub, and then start putting the decorations and the flowers all around the tub and stuff. So let me show you guys real quick the flowers that I have. Okay, so these are all the flowers I bought. That's me and my husband. These are all the flowers I bought for the shoot today. So you saw this one when we use it as a bouquet. And then we're gonna use these other ones for decoration and the float on top of the water and the leaves too. She wants more of greenery than actual flowers. So that's why we went with this bouquet of flowers and then just pops of color. She's having a boy, but we still wanted it to be nice and girly. So that's majority green for, you know, the boy. And then the girliness for myself. Yes, so let me go ahead and get that set up. And I'll see you in the next scene.